Do you want to see how my vendor booth space went from a 6x6 space to a 13x6 space? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to show you. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you from where I work at Mayfield's Mercantile, and I am redoing my booth, and so I'm going to take you along with me. The owner decided to move some things around, and so one of the walls that was in my booth, we moved it, and we started it yesterday. So the first part of everything, I'm wearing something different, and that was because it was day one, and it was a matter of taking everything out of my booth and moving the wall, and now we're putting stuff back together, and we're just going to kind of be moving some things around. So I figured I would bring you along with me so that you could see how I reset my booth. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is my 6x6 booth space, and this wall right here is going to be moved to right here. So it's going to give me a few more feet of space. But this is the space that we have cleared out. We're continuing to clear out. And so the first thing we have to do is move all of my stuff so that we can move the wall. And if you'll notice the shelf on the left, that wall right there, I have some of my stuff there too. So it is a 6x6 space, but I also have that kind of wall space as well. But I really did not realize how small my booth space was, I guess, until we expanded. So after we finish clearing everything out, then the owner is going to come and he's going to move this wall, and then we will start putting stuff back. And here they've detached the wall from, or this wall panel from the wall, and now they've moved it to where we have it marked to where it needs to go, and he is going to reattach it to the wall. And now we're just going to start putting things back. And we really put stuff where we thought we wanted it, but you'll see that we move things around several times before we finally get to the final, finished product. But for now, we're just going to start kind of moving things and getting them kind of where we think we want them. It's funny to me now to see us setting up this corner, because this corner lasted literally like 2 days, and then I sold something. So I sold this little gray chair that you see in the bottom right corner, and now it's on the table. that was one of the first things that was in my booth, and it finally just sold. So you never know when something's going to sell. Some things you think is going to sell quickly. Other things, you know, takes a while, but they eventually do sell. But anyway, I am just continuing to put things where I think I want them. This is what you walk into when you walk into the room. This is my booth, but it is before I had a little addition. I found this baker's rack on Facebook Marketplace for $49. It is 6.5 feet tall, and the width of it was perfect for that little corner where that green shelf was. So when I saw this, I immediately went and picked it up and ended up bringing it to my booth and moving things around again. So now this is what my booth actually looks like, and I love the way everything looks. I think it is very inviting, and you can see all of my merchandise. This is actually coming into my booth a different way, so you can come in to my booth from 2 different directions. So I feel like the layout of my booth and the location of it is perfect. So this is what it all looks like now. I am very pleased with it. I am thankful that you guys wanted to kind of see how I have my booth set up. And, you know, I am willing to ship if you're willing to pay. If you see something that you like, you can just let me know and we can work something out. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And this is something that I just have recently started. My husband and I are now empty nesters. So this is something that I do to kind of fill my time now that, you know, we're empty nesters, but it's something I enjoy doing. So if you like all things homemaking, including thrifting, shopping hauls, meal ideas, then I would love it if you would become a part of my YouTube family. Click that subscribe button and click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. And leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about my booth. And if you want to see more booth setup and just my thrifting hauls, then check out the box that you see on the screen right now. And I'll see you next time. Bye.